For dinner today, let's make a traditional Ayurvedic recipe, khichdi, and let's substitute rice with millets. Soak both the millets and mung dal together for 4 to 8 hours. Thereafter, drain the water and add in a large soup pot along with water. Bring it to a boil and then simmer it and cover it with a lid. Cook it on low to medium heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, chop 3 cups of vegetables and add in the soup pot. Add salt and turmeric along with it. Cook till 90% of the water is absorbed. Thereafter, simmer and cover with the lid for 10 minutes till all the water is absorbed. Meanwhile, prepare for the tempering. In a small pan, add ghee, and when the ghee is hot enough, add cumin seeds and let them crackle. Rub fresh curry leaves and add into the ghee. Once the leaves start to crackle, add grated ginger and saute it for a minute. Now quickly add turmeric powder and red chilli powder and pour the contents of tempering over the cooked khichdi. Switch off the gas and add 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and chopped coriander. Serve it hot. Substituting rice with millets is great for balancing kapha as millets are warm and astringent. It is easy to digest and great to taste.